I have one question, ma'am. We have a lot of NRI students in our school.
Mm-hmm.
So the parents nowadays of these children, they want us to give the similar environment to the children which they have been getting abroad.
So one thing that can be done here is with the help of the school counselor, if in case you have someone, probably a
Yes.
psychologist or a counselor, you can
Yes.
have a meeting with the student first and try to
Mm-hmm.
understand the kind of environment that the child has got, abroad there with the parents, and
Mm-hmm.
then check on the things that the child is missing on being with. In case the child lives in hostel or probably with the guardians here, what is the first most thing that the child is missing there? Probably have a meeting with the parent after you have got the questionnaire with the student. Maybe have something on those lines being designed for the parent, and check
Mm-hmm.
how have they been providing and what kind of expectation do they have in terms of those pointers only. Because if the parents are reacting there, it is definitely coming from the student. So to
Mm-hmm.
talk to the parents, we should first understand what are the complaints that the child is trying to raise in terms of the expectations here. So to do that, if you directly ask the child will definitely not be honest about it, right? So
Right.
probably you can, design a Google form or something very passively and ask the children to fill it in, or specifically this child. And then similar kind of Google form, probably with certain changes, can be shared with the parent. And then
Mm-hmm.
you try to compare the responses of both child and parent, and the areas
Mm-hmm.
where you feel that this is the area of concern, wherein this is the expectation that cannot be fulfilled at school. Probably having a meeting with the parent and then setting the expectation that, okay, out of these 10 parameters, we are able to support your child with the 5 or the 6, but these 4 is something that you need to figure out, or probably help us understand what best can be done from your end so that we accommodate this request. And documenting all of this, half of the problems get sorted there. So they will
Mm-hmm.
be like, okay, I asked the school for anything, they will definitely give me a huge list of questions. So at least with that pattern, the concerns might come down.